I didn't want to have to do this, but I'm doing it. I'm giving you an update on MicroStrategy. We are midweek on Wednesday, and it's time for me to roll. And it's really kind of bizarre. Here is the chart here on MicroStrategy, and you can see it had a beautiful run up from under 240 all the way up to about 440. And now it's kind of rolling over a little bit, and it doesn't really make a lot of sense because Bitcoin's at all-time highs. And yet MicroStrategy keeps kind of diluting the shareholder base because they're buying more Bitcoin, they're issuing new money to do it and diluting the actual shareholders. Long term, that's gonna be okay, right? Anyway, we've got like 5 days in a row kind of with down action. And so now we're down under the $400 level, right around 360 now. Now I wanna show you this little line that I drew. This is a small gap on the chart. Now I have a study that I do on gaps, and I believe that gaps get filled. So there's a little gap here, it's like around 351 and 04, I think it is. So right around 351 where it took off from that and it hasn't come back. Now I think that's where it's going. Gaps get filled, and so as soon as it hits that 351, it's got a good chance of bouncing. I don't know if it's gonna do that or not. I don't predict stocks, I just try to use probabilities. But right now the probability is to the downside, but it looks like the bars are getting a little bit smaller. What I'm gonna do is I have a rule in my trading plan that says, hey, if I've made like 75% of my juice and there's still a few days left in the trade, I'm gonna close the trade and roll it to a new trade. So you see the juice left here is $1.27, $1.30, it's bouncing around in there. But I got $8.24 in juice just on Friday, and today's Wednesday afternoon, early. And so that's, like 80% of the juice I've already made. There's no real upside for me to hold it anymore. So I got two choices here. Let's take a look at what my choices are. So I'm gonna look at the calls and see what I can get for maybe these 360s here. I could get like another $8 for this week for the 360s. But the problem is those are right at the money. So I would give up some serious money to the whipsaw, but I made $8 last week. So you know what? I'm gonna look at doing the 380s instead of the 390s, but I'm gonna go out to next week. So if I look at these 380s in here, I'm a little bit out of the money. I like to be mostly in the money, but I have a strategy, that's trying to compensate for this whipsaw, and I can still pick up 785 out next week, and I would have all this upside potential. So I'm gonna go out of the money and go to the 380s for next week. So let's go back to my monitor. I'm just gonna go to these 390s, create a rolling order, and roll those to the 380s for next week. It's already filled that in for me. I'm gonna change that to a market order, confirm and send it. And now I'm just gonna go back and change and just make sure that everything is cool there. I am now at the 380s here, and I have none left of the 390s. It looks like I'm putting another $7.56 times 1,300 shares. So that's another $9,828 that I'm getting for the next 10 days, and I still have some upside potential because I'm slightly out of the money here on MicroStrategy. Let's see what happens. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.